Now I want to talk a little bit about parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect. Specifically, they have the same slope. Well, in contrast to that, perpendicular lines are lines that intersect and specifically they intersect at a right angle. Okay? Their slopes are opposite sines and reciprocals. An example of that would be if the slope of one was 2/3, then the perpendicular slope would be opposite of that sine and reciprocal -3/2. Easy enough. Directions say write the equation of the line given. We want it to be parallel to this line and pass through this point. We will use point slope. The point that we're going to use, obviously the -5 going for the x, the 3 going for the y. Since we want to be parallel to this line, parallel lines have the same slope, so this is the m that we're going to use. We're just going to use that exact same slope value. So we have y minus 3 equals -2x minus -5. I'm going to distribute the -2. So y minus 3 equals -2x minus 10. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And we end up with y equals -2x minus 7. This last example, we're going to be perpendicular to a given line and pass through that point. So again, point slope. The point going in for these numbers respectively. The slope. I need to find the slope up here, and that requires me to solve this for y. This 2x needs to subtract to this side, so it'll be -2x plus 2. So the slope m is -2. I want perpendicular slope. So think of this as 2 over 1. I want positive 1/2. That's the slope I'm going to end up using. So plugged in, we have y minus 7 equals positive 1/2 x minus -1. I'm going to distribute the 1/2. So y minus 7 equals half x plus half. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. And that gives us y equals half x plus 15/2. And done.